I don't know how many of you seen Tibet. How many have seen? Raise your hands. Very few. What? Actually, who are all sitting here, you are Tibetans. But many of 90% are not seen Tibet because from your own state, your own nation, you are out. Actually, I have seen Tibet for 2 times, and I studied many of your problems, and I talked to many people from downward to higher people. I have seen them and I talked to them, and really we feel very sorry for them. If you visit Tibet, it's a beautiful country, beautiful nature beauty, and also it's rich in mind. Long back we lost Tibet. It's not only your loss, actually it's India's loss. I always used to tell, it's not only Tibet is not a loss for Tibetans, it's a loss for India. But I don't know why the world, we are speaking about human rights, speaking about many things, and you are speaking about world peace, but nobody is raising voice for you. Why this is happening, we doesn't know. China is so powerful than all over the world. China is powerful than US, or China is powerful than other countries, Europe. We don't know why they are also keeping quiet in about this Tibetan problem. But really I see the Tibet is really beautiful country, and also who are staying there, really they are facing problem. They are really servants there. They don't have any voice to raise, or they cannot speak about China. They cannot raise against China. Nothing. Actually, it's a sad part. I asked many people who are the good drivers and many who are the boys there, why can't you please come to India to work there? I really surprised. They told we are not getting passports. I think anywhere in the world it will not happen. Anywhere, any part of the world it will not happen. Only in Tibet is happening. Really, you have to fight, because we have to get some inspiration from Israel. Maybe I am talking is true or not, but still we have to work. And Israel also, this in your condition, it was there like you. They were nothing, and many of the Israelis are gone out from the country. But in outside the country, they are all got together and they fought for Israel. Actually, that message is there from Israel, and we have to get together who are staying in India. Actually, who are there, they don't have education. They are not getting any other facilities. Actually, China is using that country only for, I think, in some days, the country will, all mines will go to Chinese industries. And I was telling with your MPs that day, one or the other day, all Tibetans will killed in Tibet. Who are staying in India, you will stay. We will live. Who are staying in Tibet, I think they'll finish off. They'll give their life, or people who are from China, they'll kill them. Something will happen in Tibet. That's why before that we have to fight against that, and we fight against China, or we don't know how many will come with us, how many countries will come with us. But in India, always with you. But you have to fight in parliament also. I was telling our MPs, please meet all the political party leaders, rather than Congress or BJP or Communist, anybody. You meet them and ask them to fight in the Parliament of India. You are not fighting for Tibet. You have to fight for your own country, because if Tibet is gone now Chinese have come till Nepal. They came to Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Himachal Pradesh. They are threatening India also. Not only Tibet, not only Nepal, they are threatening India also. Actually, China is threat to India also. Our own Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, they opposed to visit to Arunachal Pradesh. Last year he wanted to go to Arunachal Pradesh. China opposed that. Where are we? Actually, we should fight our own. That's why I'll tell my leaders also and our parliamentarians also to raise your voice in parliament. Raise your voice in parliament. That's what we are doing. Actually, all our MPs are asked the same thing with us, and our leader Yediyurappa ji, he also told we will help you out, and we will tell our MPs to raise voice in parliament, in Indian parliament. That's why you have to collect the opinion of all Indians, and please go. This program should go to all the people. I think you should call press people also today. This message should go to Karnataka. This message could go to India. This message should go to youngsters of India, young people of India. If we are get together, if we are, all Indians are with you, one or the other day we will get your country. We will get your country. That's why we have to fight together. And always I am with you as a sister. I am always with you, and our party will be with you. Our leader Yediyurappa will be with you. He already promised your MPs. Yediyurappa promised in that we met in the Capital Hotel. He promised that I am always with you, and really we will work it out. We have to do something. I don't know how to do and where to do. Who will start? We don't know, but we have to do something to protect at least India. We are not talking about only Tibet. To protect ourselves. We are all staying in India now. To protect this country, at least we have to save Tibet and Nepal, both the countries and our borders. That's why for this in busy schedule, I was very busy with my work, but still I wanted to come and meet you all. You are all working here, some are there, students here, and we are happy to see you. And please be together. Please come together. Please organize all the Tibetans who are staying in India, and also Indians who are your friends, young Indians, your college mates, your classmates. Bring them together, educate them about Tibetan problem, Nepal problem, and also India's border problem. You have to go together. Then only we can face China. Otherwise, it's not possible. That's why please go together, and we are all with you. That's the message I wanted to give you. We are all with you, all Indians and also the representatives of our state. We are all with you. That's why please, I am seeing all young faces. You can do many things. You can achieve. You can achieve your country. You can achieve your freedom. That's why work for that, and we are all with you. Jai Hind.